Hello planner friends, it is that time where we are looking at the Sadie Stickers monthly subscription mystery reveal, and this month's subscription was nothing short of jaw-dropping and amazing, and I think it's definitely my favorite of this year. I mean, hello, this is January's, but I mean my favorite within the past year, and definitely a top of one of my favorites of all of her mystery kits that I've ever gotten. So yeah, I'm super excited to share this with you guys. And I was able to get this mystery handed to me in person by Alicia at the Galentine's with a Plan event. So that was even more special because I was able to just like take it up to my room and like open it the same, like get it from her directly. So I thought that was just so fun. So anyway, I'm going to dive into this, but first, if this is your first time joining one of my videos, hello, my name is Cassie, and I share planner related content here on my channel, and I am subscribed to the Sadies Stickers mystery subscription, so I do share these every month as well on my page, but I have a lot of other videos if this isn't your thing. But I mean, why would you not love a mystery reveal? I feel like they're so fun. So I'm going to dive into this, but thank you for being here. If this is your first time, or if you're a returning subscriber / follower, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me for another video. All right, so this time I actually don't even have my address on here because this got handed to me, but it also came in like a really pretty pink, like an envelope. And I don't have that on here, but if you got the mystery, you probably got that pretty pink envelope, which was fun because it came in the beginning of February. I'm going to pull this out here. Here is, ooh, see, everything's coming out. Okay, so I do get both the decorative and the kit subscriptions. So let me show you, let's change it up, you guys. Let's do the decorative first. I always do decorative last, but let's change it up and go into the decorative kit first, because inevitably I take the vellum out and that's part of the decorative. So let's get this one out so we can kind of be in the background here. This is something she started a few months back with a vellum, and I'm really loving this addition to the decorative kit, and that we get something that we can be creative with. I will most likely use these like as tip-ins in my B6, because if you kind of like, cut it in half, look at that, so pretty. This is more like a pinky vibe. This has got more of the greens on it. So this is just kind of like a sneak of the florals that are in the kit, and then these amazing gingham pieces. I think this is so, it's just so gorgeous. I love peach and green together. All right, this is the decorative kit. So I get mine in transparent, although I believe next month is when this will start being, I think maybe an option for washi paper. And when that's an option, she knows that that's what I want to switch to. I am on the PR team, and so she's already told me that's going to be an option. So just a sneak peek for you guys that washi paper, it should be an option coming to the shop soon. But yeah, this one is on transparent. So speaking of being on the PR team, you can use my code on regular purchases. My code is Cassie20. I'll put that on the screen here. And I do have a freebie with her shop. I can show you that as well. You cannot use it with the mystery kits though. You can, I don't even think you can put my name and notes in the mystery, because I think they're all like, packaged and ready to go. But if you are doing any other orders, this is my freebie. It's in rose gold foil. I imagine we'll probably switch these soon because this is a winter freebie, and I know we're all, kind of moving into spring kits, but this is my current freebie. You've got some of the vintage writing dividers, some coffee rings, some little ink strokes, some blowing snowflakes and bricks, and then some of the ink splatters, which I absolutely love. So that's my freebie. My code is Cassie20. Like I said, you can't use it on these mystery kits because they are already so deeply discounted. I mean, they're such an amazing deal. So just know that, but you can use it on other things in the shop. So, all right, back to our program here. This is our decorative kit. So this is page 1 of decorative. This is just like the deco page. This is a peach themed kit, in case you couldn't tell. The Pantone color of the year is peach, and I think she said it's this peach here. I think it's that peach. So she kind of based the kit off of that color, and I'm so glad she did this. It's just stunning. These are the box swatches. You've got some longer ones, and then some more like squares, some rectangle. So definitely more like journaly. this whole thing, this whole decorative kit. But if you were to get this in premium, you could totally bring in so many of these elements as well. You can do it in transparent too, because I know you can do a lot of mixed stuff. But if you are somebody who gets this in premium, like this kind of deco and stuff would be really great within like using it for the kit. I sometimes wish I could go back and buy more pages. Like I would love to buy this page in premium as well, but like I like having it in transparent for other planners. So I guess I could have like, I could sign up for a subscription and get one in premium and one in transparent, right? I could have 2 subscriptions, but as extra as I am, that seems like even more extra even for me. So probably won't do that, but this is the paper strips one, in case I didn't say that. This is the days of the week. She does usually do like some of the florals that match the kit, and then some that have the like little highlighter. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like a highlighter line through it. These are the date dots. You've got the floral pattern and then some colored like peach ones, just plain, and then some regular dots and floral dots. This is the borders page. Oh, that's so gorgeous. It's huge. And then you've got a lot of more piecey deco in the middle. This is the corners page. So you've got these ones that have the corners, and then again, she takes up the space and just added some big bouquets there. I love that. These are the bouquets. They are like all of these, I feel like this month are like a larger style of florals. And I feel like they typically are in the decorative kit, because if you're using these journaling wise, like you usually want them bigger. So I don't have a problem with it, but just, you know, some months I feel like are a little bit bigger than others. These are the edges. So all of these have the flat edge. And then these are just flowers that are by themselves, deco. These are the long swatches. So this was a new change she made, I think last month, where now you get a page that has 2 long swatches instead of just one. It used to be 1 long one and then 2 short ones, but now you get a page with the short ones, and you get 4 of those. And then you also get a page with the long swatches. So I like that she made that change for us. So I think it's still 12 sheets. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, so 12 sheets in the decorative collection, and this beautiful vellum that matches the decorative kit. So you can sign up for just the decorative if you're more of a journaling planner, or this is maybe more your style. I feel like the community right now in memory planning has really transitioned into a lot of journaling, which is so exciting, because I feel like the creativity level is like, we were doing a live with, Danny and I were doing a live with Jen from Home Units Plans, and she was like when you're in a video game and it's like next character unlocked. And I feel like creativity has been really unlocked in the community with the trend towards journaling, even within the traditional memory style, you know, this type of kit. I feel like people are really taking it into a more journaling aspect, and I just think it's so cool. So this might be more up your alley if you're kind of trending into that, versus something that's more traditional like this. So you can pick up, you know, either one of these type of subscriptions, or you can do both like I do, because I like having all the things, and I'm so glad I have all the things in this collection because it's gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna leave that as a backdrop because I think it's just super pretty. I'm gonna actually, I probably should have done that. I probably should have went through this like a lot closer, right? Should I run through that again? Maybe I should just run through these here. I'm gonna run through them one more time since it's a little bit closer, just since I feel like I kind of cheated you out of the goodness of seeing that up close. So let me show you one more time in case you didn't see it. And because it's so good, you might as well see it again, right? So let me know what your favorite sheet is in the decorative kit. I would love to know what sheet, if you're subscribed to this, what sheet do you use the most, and what one is your favorite? Maybe your favorite is the one you use the most. Maybe it's not, but I'm curious what you guys think, and what do you use that for? Like, are you using these in a memory planner? Are you journaling with these? Let me know. Let's start a conversation and tell me what's your favorite. What do you use it for? All right, I'm going to put these back in order because I'm a little bit OCD. It's okay. We all know that I'm this way. You know what? I actually think these are backwards in order because I have let my roommates at Galentine's looked through this, and I actually think that it normally, I don't know which way it normally goes, I guess. I feel like that goes usually at the end, but it's okay. All right, we will now move in to the weekly kit subscription here. Okay, everything's flipped to the same way. You guys, I can't say enough good things about this kit. Like I mentioned earlier, I think this might be my very favorite kit, like within the last year. I can't say of this year because this is literally the first one of 2024, but if this is a sign of what's coming this year, you guys, if you're not subscribed, seriously, I say this every video, but like, don't miss out. If you miss this, I'm sorry. I do give lots of, like warnings on my page too, of like, hey, subscriptions, ends on the 25th. It's the 24th when I'm filming this. I'm going to try to get this up this evening so that hopefully y'all can see it before subscriptions end tomorrow on the 25th, in case you are, haven't seen the other ones. But this is the kind of goodness that is in store right now. So let's take a closer look at these boxes. This is something that I'm obsessed with, and I hope that she will come out with some sheets that have more of these, because I really, really love them. Obviously the vintage writing, gingham. I love the gingham, the peaches, like look at those foil peaches. The quote box says, follow the sun. It will take you everywhere you need to go. And then you've got another peach here, more of that like grid, torn paper, this tree. I love this whole thing here. Ugh, like that's like a peach branch. It looked like lace, but it's actually a peach branch. It's so pretty. And then you have this gorgeous picnic scene here too with the peaches. All right, second page, we have, this is our full boxes page. I feel like the colors are still not showing up true to color. They're definitely a little bit brighter than what they're showing up. They're not super bright, but they're definitely brighter than what you're seeing on this page. This is our functional page with the headers and some of your watercolor swatch boxes, torn paper boxes. I love this one with the foil clip. And then you've got these torn paper edges. And then this gorgeous bottom washi. I love that she used this, like she had these, and I think they're still maybe in the shop. They were part of one of her $2 Tuesdays with the scallop with the line or the dots. I love that. And you do get all kinds of pretty deco in here. I feel like we're not focusing well. And then you've got your tiny headers or dividers, however you want to use those, the scalloped in that Pantone peach color in your date covers. That's the 4-page kit. This is the deco, like the journaling deco kind of page. Obsessed with these swatches with the gingham. I want more of those too. So I hope those are coming to the shop as well. And I love this like textured, I don't know if it's supposed to be like a leaf or just paper. Looks like a sheet maybe. I don't know, like a bed sheet. I don't know, like this too. Like I just really love that textured paper look. These are our beautiful florals. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see them all on the screen better. You've got lots of bouquets. They're very robust bouquets too. And then you do have some little piecey ones. And then you've got your borders or like floral washi strips, I guess. This is the journaling page. And every mystery I've talked about how much I love these, or every kit I talk about, she now has these on a page, and she has a whole colorway in the shop. But you can pick up a sheet of these with these, and maybe it has these ones, but I think it's just these two in different colorways. So super excited about that. I will be placing an order for those and all the colors. I will share those in a haul video when they come in, but I always like to point those out because they're my favorite, and I hope she never gets rid of them. There's all your journaling items. And then you guys look at the swatches. They have gingham. I'm so excited, like so flipping excited about alcohol ink with a pattern. It's amazing. So that's the alcohol ink. That one is on transparent. And then there is the foiled add-on, which she gave us these grid torn papers. I'm obsessed. And then you've got like the peach branches and deco. Really good. And then you've got these like journaling ink splatters, some vintage writing. So really a lot of elements that are in the kit. You get those on the foiled add-on as well. And I really love that she does that, because then really you could like take all of this and not need a whole lot else to add into the kit. Maybe I'll challenge myself one of these times to just use the mystery kit and what comes in it and not add anything else in besides like icons. That would be a fun challenge. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do something like that, so you can see like what you can do with everything, you know, in the kit. And then I could either do it with or without the decorative kit with it. We'll see. But I'm going to bring that one back in too so you guys can see both. But this is the weekly, this is the decorative. And as a reminder again, the vellum does come with a decorative. I don't know how long she'll keep doing the vellum, but I'm here for it. So as long as she's doing it, I'm going to keep talking about it because I think it's great. But that's everything for the January mystery. Like I said, the mystery subscriptions do end on the 25th of every month for that next month. So if you are interested in picking up next month, unfortunately, you cannot pick this one up unless you go on Instagram and find somebody who, for some reason, would ever be destashing this. I will not be destashing this, so yeah, I will definitely be using this. It's so gorgeous. I might save it for August because August is like peach month here in North Carolina, so I feel like I might save it for then. We'll see, but it's just stunning. So if you did not sign up last month for this and you missed out on this one, maybe somebody will be destashing it, but definitely don't miss out on the next month. I'll put the little mood board on the screen here as well, but next month looks like it's going to be amazing, or this month, I guess it's February's. So you've got like one more day left. So I'll get this video up this evening, hopefully. I'm going to try to do that right now, and then get that posted for you guys so that you can take a look at this and decide, you know, if you want to jump in on this subscription fund. And if you miss it on the 25th, you can always sign up for March. These are all amazing. So if you miss one month, don't worry, there's going to be plenty more beauty that Alicia will put out. So that's everything though for this video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, or consider subscribing if you're interested. I do have goals here on Instagram, and I would love it if you would join me and subscribe. And thank you again to all of you who come back and watch my videos on the regular. I so appreciate you, and I am just grateful that I have a space here to nerd out over stickers with all of my friends. So thank you all. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, night, whatever it is when you're watching this, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.